So it's Wednesday the 9th of October. I'm here in High Wycombe at Hurco's fabulous new facility, almost double the size of their previous place. David, thanks for the invitation today. The topic of this conversation is about the special incentive or the special offers that you're actually laying on today for engineers that turn up. Can you tell us what you're doing?
Yeah, as a special promotion to mark the official opening of the new facility, and also to coincide with our financial year end, what we're offering is every one of the machines on demonstration today, there's 11 machines, you can get a new machine, same model, at X demo pricing. But you have to take the machine by the 31st of October.
So it has to be in your place by the 31st. Yeah. Just tell us what some of these machines are, because we obviously can't see all of them behind us. But
yeah, certainly. We've got the full VM range, so VM5, VM10, VM20. There's a 42T there. And there are also 3 5-axis machines, different configurations, the 42 SRT, the VC500, and a VMX 30 UI as well, and then 3 lathes as well.
And with this, considering the year that you've had, it has been another great year for Hurco. This will just top it off for you, won't it? Be more machines sold again this year than the previous one?
We're always pleased to sell more machines. There's no doubt about that. Yeah, it's been a very good year again. The year started very busy. I think there's a little bit of uncertainty out there now, but we're still pretty optimistic about the future. And obviously we're marking that with a lovely new building.
Great stuff. So if you get yourself down here, you could get yourself a fantastic deal on one of the machines that David has mentioned. It's their special promotion in line with their open day today, which is Wednesday the 9th of October. Thank you very much, David.
Thank you.